Hi guys, and in today's video, Globe Gamer here. So I let my friend cook in the test server because I cannot run this build. Enjoy the video. Okay, so we're up against Kutal. Pretty good win with Mott. We have another fun muscle. We have a chinchilla. Sell by another chinchilla. Pretty good. Pretty good turn too. This team with the Bombus Dalbomi. This run could have been done with in like one try, and I messed it up because I put mushroom on beluga. The build that we're going for is the praying mantis flying squirrel strat with geometric tortoise. This is such a bad hit. Quetzalcoatlus was such a bad hit there. Toilet paper. Okay, pretty good. Pale spider. We got another puppy. Pretty good. Good to say the least. Okay, ghost team. Nice one. Pretty good. Toilet paper, skip, lobster, but double crow's just better. Yeah, that's crazy. Double crow on turn 5. This did took 4 hours for him. That's why, yeah. I incredibly messed up. You messed up. Hoopo bird! Insane? The value? The value goes hard. Toilet? Flying squirrel level 2? Geometric? Amazing? Nerpa mindset? It's a draw? That's crazy. Toilet, level 2, just sell. Geometric. Okay. This board is going well. Nerp. I feel like because like this is like like late midnight, there's only 2 people playing. Double chicken on turn 9? That's crazy. Bong! For fortune cookie. That's 2-2 in the shop. In the entire shop. Ghost team? Yeah. Donkey? Mushroom? We needed mushroom. We lose here because of Kakapo. We got mantis. Yeah, mushroom. Mushroom on geometric. This is an insane team by Fanboy Ochi. And he's down to 1 life. This seems losable. Oh! Geometric tortoise OP. P. Excalibur. Oh! Oh! Nerpa. Oh, here we go. Oh! That's 34 damage 4 times. 34 or 33 damage 4 times. That's crazy. Look at this. Bonk! He just killed this. The disruption is crazy. So that's the end of the video. Bye!